The holiday season is here, and this is typically the time of year where we look forward to taking a break to spend some quality time with our family and loved ones. But just because we're taking a break doesn't mean our business has to take a break, right? So, in this video, I'm going to go over the 3 ways in which you can use Ontraport to boost your sales during the holidays. Let's go. Hey, Hi Peeps, and welcome back to my channel. If we have not been formally introduced, please allow me to do that right now. My name is Akila Pitts, your friendly neighborhood Ontraport certified consultant, system strategist, and all-around helpful homegirl over at akilapitts.com. Now, I help visionary entrepreneurs just like you be able to automate their marketing, scale their business, and maximize their profits with the power of Ontraport. So if that's you, why haven't you hit the subscribe button? Do so right now so that you don't miss a moment of this automation awesomeness. Now, let's talk about the 3 ways in which you can use Ontraport to boost your holiday sales, okay? Way number 1, coupon codes. Now, when I say the words coupon codes, your mind is going to immediately think discount, and it very well should. However, let me just say, I am not asking you to discount anything that carries the quality and value where you would actually resent offering it at a discounted rate. However, there may be some digital products or even group programs that you're perfectly okay with offering some sort of discount to your loyal customers and subscribers. If that's the case, why not use Ontraport's coupon codes to be able to do that? Ontraport offers you the option of extending both personal as well as Groupon codes to your loyal followers so that you can say thank you in a way that benefits them as well as boost your sales during the holidays. Way number 2. Now that you have extended the coupon codes to your loyal customers and subscribers, why not add the urgency factor by using countdown timers? So let's take a look at this scenario. You decide to offer some sort of coupon code for a digital course or program. You extend these emails out to your loyal customers and subscribers, offering this coupon code for that service. But on top of that, you create urgency by letting them know that this is only available for a limited time. So when they click on that link to go on that sales page built in Ontraport, they see the running countdown timer that lets them know there's only a limited amount of time to take advantage of this offer. Now, you can use the countdown timers that are natively available within Ontraport, or you can use a third-party platform like Deadline Funnels. Either way, you are getting your message across that this offer is available to you, but only for a limited time. That way, it is a gift to your subscribers to receive that coupon code, but it also boosts your sales because with that urgency factor, they are wanting to take action right now. So that's how you can use countdown timers as another way to boost sales during the holidays. Way number 3, implementing an abandoned cart campaign. Now, if somebody told you that abandoned cart campaigns are only good for launches, they lied. Abandoned cart campaigns are a great asset for anything that you are offering, especially something that is time sensitive. So now that we have extended these coupon codes to our loyal customers and subscribers and created the urgency factor by them visually seeing this countdown timer on the sales page, why not go ahead and implement an abandoned cart campaign for those who still are not ready to take the leap? For one reason or another, they may have gotten distracted, they may have had to step away to check their funds, or whatever the case may be. Still, With this abandoned cart campaign, it reminds them and brings them back to the fact that you have a time-sensitive offer. Look, it's the holidays. This is a season where people are looking to buy. They want to buy, so why not give them every opportunity to buy? And don't just rely on them landing on your sales page that one time. If for some reason they are not triggered to hit that buy button right then and there, implementing the abandoned cart campaign is an immediate follow-up to be able to gather those people who have not made the decision and give them another reason to do so. So, as you can see, by implementing coupon codes, countdown timers, and an abandoned cart campaign, you can definitely go about boosting your sales through the holidays. And you can do all of this within your Ontraport account. So now I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comments below which one of these ways you plan on implementing this holiday season. And come back and let me know just how much it helped to boost your sales. Did you like this video? Awesome. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it. And best of all, subscribe so that you don't miss a moment of this automation awesomeness. That's all for now, Happy Peeps. Take care. Bye.